Well, hello everybody. It is July 18th, 2024. I've got a couple hours between kind of getting up after a night shift and being responsible as a parent, and so I was going to go to a little creek here in Little Rock. Going to try a little double jig. I also brought a spy bait with me. Try that out, see if I can't get something there, but just go waiting for a little bit, see what we can't get. We've gotten a lot of rain lately, and the creek water looks high, so we'll see how far we can get. Let's go to it. I think this creek's gonna be too deep for me to wade. I know later on it's certainly gonna be too deep. Something right over there. Come on. There we go. Got a little something. Yeah. A little long ear. Figured we get something. Yeah, there we go. Another long ear. They're all going for that top one, so they want it a little bit above. I wonder if I shouldn't just do like a drop shot. Look at that little guy. Oh, I messed up his eye. Hope your eye's okay. Missed my last couple there. It's whatever. But caught a couple more long ear and had one chase it. They may be in kind of more of a chasing mood because, you know, this last one really got aggressive and trying to follow it up. So I may switch over to something, maybe that spy bait or something I can just kind of cast around a little bit. Little micro drop because the other one was just getting caught and everything. So let's see if we can't do any good with that. I've gotten like 3 fish. I think I only got one on camera. It's awesome, but whatever. Here we go. Lots of little nibbles. Finally got it. Oh, nothing but long ears so far, which is a-okay with me. I mean, I'm happy to just catch fish. I don't care what it is. Nice little long ear. See if we can get another one. Try the spy bait in here for a little bit and just see if we can't draw out anything a little bit bigger. And then it may be time to go back to something much more subtle, but there we go. Little tiny one. Oh, a little bluegill. Or greenie, excuse me. Sucker. Little tiny green sunfish. There we go. Oh, that's gonna be another sunfish. Yeah, it's good red ear. Well, cool. This is drawing them out. Oh, man, look at that long ear. Excuse me, not a red ear. Good little long ear. That's fun. It definitely draws them out. It's kind of cool. Well, it's good to know how this works, you know, because this is kind of, like I said, clear water for this creek. It's not super clear, obviously, but definitely drawn out a lot more fish. There we go. Ooh, look at that red ear, or long ear. Another one. Another good long ear. Cool. Cool. There you go. I think I got a fish. Yeah. What do we get? A little tiny long ear. Boy, he inhaled that thing. I could barely tell he was on there. Ambitious. Very ambitious. It's working pretty good. Let's keep moving. Good. Kind of pecking away at it and finally got it. Whatever. We'll take it. Little tiny long ear. Chubby little dude. Go home. Ooh, something just smacked up the surface there. Right there. See if we can get a cast in. Yeah. Oh, good. There. That was that one. Look at that. That's a good little long ear. Cool. Good. Still on there. Yeah. Boy, he felt a lot stronger than he was. He must have gotten into that current for a second. Long ear, long ear, long ear. A couple bluegill. I think I saw one bass. Yes. Good one. Yep. Well, not that good, but they feel really good when they get into that current, of course. Start running upstream. Oh man, I thought I had like a bass or something. Just another good long ear. Boy, he inhaled that thing and just ran off with it. Here we go, another long ear. Oh, hey. Hey, pups. Hi, guys. How's it going? What you doing? Don't come out to me. What are you doing? Hi, puppy. There we go. Another one on the spy bait. Little one. A little long ear. That's cool. I watched that one come up and get it. Sucker. Okay. There we go. Just nibbled at it a million times. This is a cool little bait. Boy, that was like immediate. I must have laid it right on his bed or something. Look at how he hit it. Stop. I'll get you off. Calm down. Pretty little long ear. Well, that's gonna wrap it up for today. You know, this was just a quick trip out. I only had a couple hours before I needed to pick up the kids in between work and stuff like that. But this is right in the middle of Little Rock, just a little spot that I found over the years. Managed to catch just a bunch of long ears, kind of fun. Got to try out a spy bait. That spy bait's pretty cool. Just submerses right under the surface, and it really suspends well. And so, you know, you can just fish it real slow, and it really brings out a bunch of fish. Had a harder time getting them to commit and bite to it. I think I only caught 2 or 3 on it, but still really had a good time. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next one, okay? Bye.